Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Today it's Monday, August 12. We'll start on weekly as every Monday. I want to see what's happening on how the last weekly candle closed. So let's start and let's see what we have. As I suggested yesterday, to wait for the weekly candle close. As you can see here, kind of indecision candle. Yeah? It's still green, I like that, but wasn't above 60k as too many people expected here. Yeah? To have a candle body close on weekly above 60k was damn bullish, but not this time. Indicators. Well, as I said yesterday, we have something nice here. Low, lower low, low, higher low on RSI, so a potential bullish divergence. We have to wait an entire week to see how it will develop. But what do we have on OBV? Low, higher low, and a W. We have a confirmed bullish divergence on OBV. That should mean something for us. Let's not be too bearish on crypto. At least that's my view. Okay, we can retest some levels. We can even lose the low, but it's not the time to be bearish on crypto in Bitcoin also. Yeah? Morning, guys. Morning, Ken. Morning, Rocco, Shogun, Geo. I hope everything is nice and clean on YouTube. So that's my view. That's why I said yesterday in the weekly crypto review that we should wait for this candle to close. If the close was above 60k, damn bullish. If the close was below, not so bullish, indecision. But I wanted this candle to be green, so we'll still have the bullish divergence on OBV and RSI. Okay, so what now? What we can do now? Well, we can play some fib pong here this week. On weekly, okay, indecision, but we can play some fib pong on lower time frame. So we can think about short reload zone, long reload zone. Retesting 54, for example, will be a good location for us to look for long ideas. Retesting today or tomorrow 60k will be a good sign or a good location to think short. Yeah, even a fake out above 60k here will be really nice for us to hunt a short idea. When everyone will think, okay, 60k, it's back on the table, let's go to the moon, you know them. We'll look for an YAM and we'll try to short. Okay. If I'm on weekly, I'll take a look at Ethereum on weekly. Yeah, you can see it's bearish. It's uglier than Bitcoin, and we don't have anything bullish here on indicators. So I think Ethereum on weekly basis has more room to consolidate. Yeah, consolidating below 2,500 and above 2,000. Not a bad idea. If we look left, we have a support area here. So, if you want to play Ethereum, well, any bounce is a shorting opportunity for the moment. Bitcoin dominance, well, here we are trying to do something, even now. And I want to show you here the daily chart and then the 4-hour. Daily chart, and you can see we are rejecting. We are trying to... We are testing 57 to see if it's a real breakout or it's a fake out. As usual, as we tried to see yesterday. But if you look on 4-hour chart, we have an YAM here, you can see. Well, I prefer a daily YAM, but it's all we got. And we are trying to form an LJ here. Let's see what will happen if we'll accept on 4-hour chart below 57. Even now, it's a good idea to pay attention on altcoins. Some of them they are trying to perform. Okay, so for the moment I see DCM, but it's on 4-hour chart. On daily is just retesting 57 to see if it's a real breakout or a fake out. You know me, you know that I'll assume it's a fake out and I'll hunt altcoins. Why? Because usually the market is 70% of the time in a range, and usually we get fake outs. So I'm assuming that this is a fake out and we'll go back down here. Maybe I'm wrong, who knows? Okay, so we talked about Bitcoin on weekly. Let's see Bitcoin on daily. Well, on Bitcoin on daily here, you can see we still have the hedges there. I just put it aside so it will not bother me here. But we are still hedging our portfolio. Nice dump. In 52, we exceeded a little bit there, but nice bounce from 52 support area. AB equals CD here, back in the short reload zone if you take the swing high, swing low. Well, and now we are between levels here. So 62, it's a short reload zone. 54, it's long reload zone here. You can see I have 38.2, 50% and 61.8 because I want to see some levels here. It's important for me to see if we'll bounce from 38.2, if we'll stop at 50%, you can see some support here, or we'll go all the way down and test the candle body lows. That's why I have more fib levels. But we are between short and long reload zone. Not the best location for us to trade today. Let's see. Indicators on daily, well, nothing special. I'm a bit disappointed on daily about OBV. If on weekly looks really strong, on daily looks weak. You can see it here. Okay, so that's daily. Ethereum on daily looks kind of similar but weaker. Yeah? Nothing we can do. Ethereum versus Bitcoin, I don't see a bottom here. Yeah. You can tell me that this is a double at 61.8. It is. We retested this candle. Breakout and retest. That will be first place where you can look for a reversal on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. If you want to take this trade, W here, take it. It's in the long reload zone. We have some W's on RSI, W's on OBV. It's a valid setup. Will be enough for us to become bullish again on Ethereum? I don't know. I prefer more consolidation in the long reload zone. But who knows? The trade is there. It's risky, but it's there. Okay, so that's Ethereum versus Bitcoin. DXY, we spoke about DXY yesterday. Just below this support and resistance level. We accepted below. We are trying to retest. Fake out from the range, we can push back up. But I don't see anything special here. So overall, not a good location to trade Bitcoin or Ethereum. But some altcoins look nice for that. Let's take a look at what we have on entire market cap. So, total, you can see here, we are back in the range. But I don't see anything special. I could see fib pong also here. Nice reclaiming the range. Could be this fake out. Yeah, it is a fake out for the moment, but same idea as on Bitcoin. Give me a retest. Is total market cap so bullish that will never retest this area? I don't know about that. Maybe not long reload zone, but not even pump chasers on not even 50%. If it's so bullish, oh, okay, so be it. But again, not the best view here, because in my opinion, we should retest lower and then decide if it's bullish or not. At least a 50%. Total 2, well, downtrend channel, similar view here. Yeah, a deeper retest will be nice. Total 3, kind of the same. So overall, nice bounce from 52, but it's for the moment it's still a dead cat bounce on Bitcoin. Yeah, indecision candle, it's an indecision candle. That means we don't have an advantage. We don't know if it will go up or it will go down. That's why it's called indecision candle. Has a big tail, has a big wick above. What I don't like, 60k as a resistance again. What I do like, it's this bullish OBV. So I'll wait, I'll scalp, I'll try to find setups, but I think it's better for us to go on altcoins and see what we have. And I'll just do that. Okay, Bitcoin on 4-hour chart. I posted yesterday this chart, and you can see we touched 61.8 here, we rejected, and on lower time frame here, we had another swing high, swing low, short reload zone, rejecting and going down. Guess what was my level to short? Yeah, from my phone again. Yesterday I was out, but I managed to short a little bit on my small account in this area. I'd managed to add a little bit, seeing that I'm on profit. Acceptable profit. Not much, but good enough to cover my expenses on the weekend. So, what do we have now? If we'll push back up here, above 60, 62 here, we can look for a new EM to think short. If we'll see a W here on 4-hour chart in pump chaser zone, we can look for a long idea. If we'll accept below and we'll get in the long reload zone, well, that's a good location for longs. So, long in pump chaser zone, long in the long reload zone, short in the short reload zone. In meantime, you can see we have this trend line, yeah, on lower time frame, but we can think about this trend line. It's even better. Straight down, that doesn't mean we have an EM. For an LJ, I need an EM the other side of the trend line. So give me an EM here, and I'll take it. For the moment, we are closer. We should wait a little bit lower. Maybe we get the chance to hunt a W in the pump chaser zone. If you look left, we have support and resistance here at 57, 56 kind of idea. So we can wait here for a W. Exactly here at this level, I prefer not to touch it. Yeah? You can do the same. You have AB equals CD here. You can take the entire thing and look for short ideas in the short reload zone if you go on lower time frames. Yeah? So swing high, swing low on 1 hour, for example. Yeah? Yeah? If we push here, you can look for, I don't know, 5-15 minute chart EM here. If you get an EM here, and you can play again. For the moment, you can see on 1 hour looks weak. Wants to go down and even lower in the pump chaser zone. So luckily we have volatility. We have some levels to watch. We just need to be patient, to wait for clear setups. Don't risk too much, and we'll probably make some money this week. Morning, Catalin. Okay, let's take a look at altcoins, but I prefer 4-hour chart, maybe even higher sometimes. So I'll start with TON. You can see we are above long reload zone here on higher time frame. We rejected from this level. And not necessarily the best location for playing on this one, but if you want to play this one, technically you should do something like this. Yeah. Wait for a W here and you can play something. Ethereum in the long reload zone. I don't think it's a good idea to touch it before. Maybe an SFU of this level could give you a nice bounce. Yeah? $2,300. We have an EM here. And the target for this EM, a 2 to 1, will be here. 1-to-1 will be here, and this you can see this small red candle, and the 2-to-1 will be at the lows here. CRV, don't try to, how to say it, buy the resistance. Let's think that way. Here is the resistance. Don't buy it here. Wait for a retracement. I said multiple times. If you necessarily want to trade, take the holy grail on 5-minute chart and play it. Especially if you'll see that Bitcoin dominance is going down. But on 4-hour chart, wait for a dip. Wait for a pump chaser zone. Wait for something. So don't chase here. Yesterday when I spoke about this one, yeah, we are here. And now a lot higher. Anyway, e-gold. I love to wait here. Maybe I could get a W here in $25, $24 area. Let's wait. Joe, similar. Yeah, I said this one will be bullish when we'll see a W the other side of the trend line on 4-hour and higher time frame. On lower time frame, you can wait here for a pump chaser zone, but I think long reload zone is better here because we have DCM now. So I don't know if we want to take a trade here. If I will see a small W in the pump chaser zone, why not? Because that will give us a nice risk to reward. That will compensate the low win rate. Pixel, you can see we are at 50%. We didn't get any. Let me zoom in a little bit. On the wrong side of the trend line again. We got in the pump chaser zone, no W, we break below 50%, so now we should think only long reload zone. Yeah? So wait for long reload zone, maybe we'll get a W. Pyth, similar, wait in the long reload zone. FET, well, everyone was happy about FET, we'll go to the moon. Okay, on the long run maybe, but on lower time frame, I prefer lower. And I'll buy I'll dollar cost average below $1. If you look left, I have some house levels. You can see the fight at 4669. Look at it. It's fighting here. But we don't know if we'll bounce from here up or we'll go to the next level. The next level is damn low. 22 cents. It's possible. But I'll buy 50 cents. I'll dollar cost average all the way down here. I don't see a trade yet. If I'll form a W in the long reload zone, maybe we can take a trade. Solana, everyone was bullish here on Solana. Everyone was posting Solana. It's above $150, $160. It's going to the moon. It does. 61.8 as usual, rejecting AB equals CD. Pretty simple. Yeah. Let's not be part of the public, guys. Let's not buy tops and sell bottoms. Let's make some money here. Let's learn the fib retracement. Yeah? I'm not talking about fib extension. I'm not talking about GAN. I'm not talking about complex things here. Just a classic fib retracement will help you a lot. Yeah? If you want to learn how we trade, join Capo One. We'll start in less than 1 month. Join Capo One and you'll see totally different. You'll see the market different. Okay, so we rejected from 61.8, AB equals CD here. We are stopping at 38.2 from this low to this high. First stop, okay. I don't have a good location. 38.2 is not a good location to hunt long ideas here. Wait in the pump chaser zone, so if we'll break and we'll stay in the pump chaser zone here and we'll form a W maybe. If not, similar with everything, guys. Similar with everything. In the long reload zone here. So between below $130, if we'll see a W, that will be a good setup for us. Please don't be part of the public. Please learn how to trade. Don't wait for the bull market to pass to learn on the hard way that doesn't work without knowing what you are doing in the market, to lose a lot of money and then to learn. Learn before the bull market. Learn to keep some money. Learn to plan, to have a master plan, and all the things you need to be a trader. Yeah, you know me, I like to say, treat market like a business, and market will treat you like a king. But you have to do your part. You have to treat market like a business. And that's the purpose of Capo 1, to make you a successful swing trader. Okay, alt. You can see similar, almost everything looks similar here. We have some yams. Everyone was waiting, including me. I was waiting in the weekend for some pumps, something to happen, to pump at least. Not this time, seems like. And you can see, I'll wait here in the long reload zone. Dimension, similar thing. I could see between 50% and 61.8. I see some support, but still, I don't know if we'll hold. Straight up, straight down. You know how they go. Let's hope that 61.8 will hold on this one. Aevo, well, you can see. Nice trend line. Give me a W the other side, a complete W the other side. Maybe, but it's not bullish yet. Usually after a dump like this, will bounce violently and then will consolidate. And we had the bounce and now we are consolidating. Manta, similar. ING, similar. ING is still in this uptrend channel. I like that. So you can see here, 38.2. We'll confirm here a pump chaser zone on this one. Let's put 50% here to have the pump chaser zone. 0.5, okay. And I don't need the background. Okay. So still valid uptrend channel, and you can see pump chaser zone will be here somewhere. We can watch the pump chaser zone for a W. Look left, we have support. So on ING, I'll wait in the pump chaser zone. If I'll see a W, I'll take it because I have support here. And it's still in this uptrend channel, a bit stronger than the rest. Yeah? So that's my thinking. On the calendar for this week, for the entire week. Tomorrow we have PPI. Wednesday we have a lot of news. Thursday we have retail sales, and Friday we have building permits and Michigan consumer sentiment. So we have news. Not full, not the ugliest week, but we still have some news. Yeah, if you are a day trader, okay, you can go on lower time frame and trade, but in the news, stay out. Let's see. So that's the news. Today we don't have anything. Bitcoin here. Let's see Bitcoin on lower time frame, maybe for a scalp or something. Why not? So I'll go on 1 hour and 50-minute chart to see. So for the moment we are dumping. I think we'll stop here in the pump chaser zone. Bounce a little bit from 38.2 back in the pump chaser zone, and here will be our area to hunt the first long idea. I don't think it's a good idea to go lower than 1 hour 50-minute chart for today. It's Monday. You can see here we are trying to form some bullish divergence already. MACD and RSI. But specifically, you can see up, consolidating, retesting the short reload zone here and going down. I'll wait here. So 57, below 57, if I'll get a W on 1 hour for our chart, I'll take a long. If I'll get a W. Because some people will say, well, you said pump chases and I took a long. Well, where is the W? So wait for a W here. I blabbed away 25 minutes. I don't see any requests. If you have any questions, any requests, please type in the chat and I'll gladly take a look. Short on link on 4-hour chart. Well, let's see. I'm not a fan of shorting altcoins, but maybe you have something there, Rocco. Link. Four-hour chart. Oh, you said link if you get 10.5 here. Well, first of all, I'll stay on 4-hour chart directly. Okay, still a downtrend channel. What I'll prefer here is, as on everything, Rocco. Huh? Give me, I don't know what will happen here, but give me a name. So on 1-hour chart, you can go and think, okay, you want a bounce for a short. I get it. Watch out, we have equal highs here. I don't like that. But you know my way. Yeah. Taking this this level, not a bad idea. You are trying to play a Stefan setup here. Not bad, not bad. Not bad. We broke the structure. We have all the reasons to take that. What I don't like about this one, I told you already. I don't like this equal highs. I just don't. But either you wait for with an LJ. With an LJ here. Probably will be similar, but the LJ will give you more room more wiggle to play around. But I don't think it's a bad idea to wait here for a bounce, hope for a bounce here and take the entire thing. Entry at 61.8, stop loss all the way up here. In the same time, equal highs, smells like a SFU setup here. It's an SFU, not equal highs. Well, let's zoom in. It's at limit, Rocco. It's at limit. I know, yeah, they ticked above, but that's not taking liquidity here. You can see it. They didn't took liquidity. Maybe on futures looks a bit different. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at the. Okay, let's take a look at different. Perpetual. Where are you? Nah, kind of similar here. This is not taking liquidity here. This is okay, you're right. It's an SFU on lower time frame, a 5-minute chart. You had a 3-minute chart. You had an SFU there. So yeah, but not even there. You can see we didn't manage to close not even a 3-minute chart. So in my book, it's kind of equal highs there. But let's go back on the trade we talked about. Yeah. Come on, go back. Yeah, not a bad idea, Rocco, here. Not a bad idea. To play a long, well, you don't have location here. But to play a short, yeah, wait here. Yeah, Stefan, it's swept, but you have to look at if they closed at even a 3-minute chart or a 5-minute chart above the SFU. It's kind of equal highs if didn't sweep that level. That's a good play when you are playing the first way of SFU. Yeah? When you are playing with the POC, with the 2-to-1, 3-to-1, that's the perfect entry. We'll give you the entry and then we'll go back down. But with the claim above and reclaim back below, you don't stand a chance here to take the trade. So, but overall, nice idea here, Rocco. Okay, well, I'll go back on VIP and I'll try to scalp for today. Hopefully, we'll manage to get some trades, but we need patience here. This is not a good location for us. We need either pump chaser zone, either short reload zone, something. Give me a location and I'll be more confident to play around. When I don't have a location, I not necessarily want to risk my money. Okay, that was it from my part. Hope my opinion, my 2 cents helped you a little bit. Leave a like if you like the video, or dislike if you don't like the video. and see you next time. New York session if you are a premium member, or tomorrow with the same live stream. Guys, at the end, prepare your request. If you have something, you saw Rocco, he has an idea and he's checking that idea maybe to see what I'm seeing in the market. You can do the same. That's why we have the chat on these live streams. So put your request there. Okay guys, see you next time.